so excited to take a shower today. Let me tell you why.
I just got this brand new EcoFlow shower head made by Showery, and it honestly gives such an enjoyable shower experience.
It's also a really affordable way to improve your water pressure, which was my biggest problem.
It's honestly so easy to install, and just look how beautiful it is.
The mineral stones inside of the shower head softens and purifies the water, which is great for your skin and hair.
It has 3 modes: massage, rainfall, and jetting. And there's a stop button, which allows you to stop the water at any time.
Overall, this is a 10 out of 10 product and great for a spa-like experience.